Most Excel charts look like this, too colorful, too busy, and hard to read. In this video, you will learn how to fix ugly bar charts and make them look clean, professional, and instantly understandable. We'll go through every design step, and by the end, you'll have your own reusable clean chart template. The goal isn't decoration, it's clarity. We want the viewer to instantly see which category has the highest value. A professional chart should tell the story without any extra words. Always start with simple, structured data. In our case, we have only two columns, category and sales value. Keep 6 to 8 categories for readability. If we have more than that, it hurts our attention span. You can sum everything else up as a new other category. Step 2. Choose the right chart type. Go to Insert, Bar Chart, Clustered Bar. Use horizontal bars when comparing categories. They're easier to read. Use vertical columns only for time periods. It's not a strict rule, but horizontally your text stays readable and people naturally compare length side by side. We expect time to move left to right, so keep that logic for vertical charts. Step 3. Start axis at 0. If not, even small differences look exaggerated. A 0 baseline keeps comparisons honest. Step 4. Add direct labels. Go to Chart Elements, Data Labels, inside Base. Labels make every value visible and remove the need to look at the axis. Use the same clean font as your chart. Once all labels are in place, you can safely remove the axis and grid lines later. Step 5. Clean the foundation. Now it's time to clean up. Remove grid lines, the legend, and the chart border. Keep only elements that add value. A minimal white background makes the chart easier to read and feels more professional. Step 6. Adjust spacing and proportions. Right-click your bars, format data series, gap width about 30 to 50%. Too wide, and the chart looks disconnected. Too tight, and the bars feel heavy. A balanced gap helps the eye compare categories evenly. As a rule, label text should be about 40% of the bar width, readable but not dominant. Step 7. Simplify color. Color is for focus, not decoration. Make all bars neutral gray, then highlight one bar, for example your top category or a new product, in a single accent color like teal. Avoid rainbow palettes, gradients, and 3D effects. Neutral base plus one highlight equals professional clarity. Step 8. Sort intelligently. Sort your data from highest to lowest or in logical order. Sorting builds visual hierarchy. The viewer immediately sees what's most important. If it's time-based data, keep chronological order. Step 9. Format numbers cleanly. Format your numbers for readability. Short forms like 18.4K are faster to read than 18,400. In Excel, right-click a label, format data labels, number, custom, and insert this. This displays 1000 as K. Keep one decimal and align decimals vertically. Consistency looks clean and deliberate. You can also use the full format if you need all the numbers. Step 10. Typography and layout. Use one clean font. I choose Calibri. Keep consistent font size for all text. Left align your title for balance and delete the chart border. White space is part of your layout, don't crowd it. When showing multiple charts, align their baselines and spacing. Step 11. Add context. Add context with a clear title and a short subtitle. For example, title, total sales by category. Add text box to add a subtitle. In this case, October 2025. The title tells what, the subtitle tells when. Keep both left aligned and minimal, one short line each. Step 12. Ensure readability. Check your chart at 70% zoom or in a small screen. If you can't read it comfortably, it's too small or cluttered. Maintain enough contrast between bars and background. Gray level testing helps. Ideal aspect ratio about 1.5 times wider than tall. And last step, save as template. Right-click chart, save as template, name clean bar chart. When everything looks perfect, save it. Next time you build a chart, apply the template instantly and keep your visuals consistent across all reports. Now you know how to fix ugly bar charts in Excel. In the next video, we will clean up tables using the same design rules. Subscribe if you want your Excel visuals to look sharp, simple, and professional every time. Goodbye!